Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that sneaks up on almost every long-term relationship: the slow, quiet shift from romantic partners to roommates. You know the type. You live in the same house, share the same bed, maybe even still share a laugh. But the spark, the heat, the "I can't wait to see you tonight" energy, that's gone. And it's not your fault. Life happens. Jobs, bills, kids, laundry, Netflix. Suddenly, your romance budget is zero, and the passion starts dying quietly. But here is the truth: passion is not automatic. It doesn't fade just because you're comfortable. It fades because we stop putting in intentional effort. By the end of this video, you will know how to reignite intimacy, connection, and desire in your marriage. You will learn how to make sure your husband feels like a partner, lover, and someone you choose every day, not just a roommate with a shared password. How passion fades. Let's start with the reality check. Passion isn't killed by age, kids, or responsibilities. Passion is killed by predictability and neglect. Think about your early relationship days. You flirted, laughed, kissed, made each other feel wanted. You didn't need a reason. Just being around each other was exciting. Fast forward a few years and suddenly your communication is mostly logistical. Who's picking up the kids? Did you pay the electricity bill? When are you leaving work? Physical touch dwindles. Date nights are replaced by pizza on the couch. You stop noticing the little things that made each other feel attractive, desirable, and alive. This is what I call the roommate trap. And here is the kicker. It creeps in slowly, that most couples don't even realize it is happening until they feel that emotional distance. Common pitfalls in long-term marriages or relationships. Let's break down exactly why passion fits in long-term marriages. First of all, routine over romance. Life becomes predictable. Predictability is safe, but safe is not sexy when every day looks the same. You stop prioritizing excitement. Second, physical touch declines. Hugs, kisses, hand-holding, playful touches. All those small gestures build anticipation and intimacy. When they disappear, desire fades. Third, emotional curiosity fades. Early in relationships, you were curious about everything. What's your favorite song? What's your dream vacation? Over time, curiosity becomes replaced by assumption. I know what he thinks. I know what she wants. And that kills connection. 4. Assuming familiarity is enough. Comfort is wonderful, but if comfort replaces effort, it erodes desire. Just living together isn't enough to keep passion alive. Number 5, neglecting the mindset of choice. When you start thinking, we are married now, so it's automatic, you stop choosing each other intentionally. Desire thrives on choice. Every day you have to choose your partner as a lover, not just as a roommate. Section 3, how to keep passion alive. Now let's get into the solutions. How do you prevent your marriage from sliding into the roommate trap and reignite the passion? Number 1, prioritize intimacy. Don't treat it as a bonus. Many couples treat intimacy like desserts, something to enjoy after everything else is done. Newsflash: if it only happens when there is time, it will rarely happen. Make intimacy a priority. Schedule it if necessary. Number 2, flirt on purpose. Yes, even after years together, text a cheeky message. Give a lingering kiss. Use the look that made their heart skip a beat years ago. Flirting is a muscle. If you stop exercising it, it atrophies. Number 3, date nights are essential. And no, ordering pizza and binge watching Netflix in pajamas is not a date night. Go out, dress up, recreate the magic of early dating. The effort itself reignites desire. Touch outside the bedroom. The power of casual touch is underestimated. Hand on the lower back while walking past. Quick hug from behind. Brushing shoulders. It all creates anticipation and reminds your partner they are desired. Number 5, surprise each other. It doesn't have to be expensive. Little surprises, their favorite snack, a handwritten note, planning a spontaneous weekend getaway, build excitement and emotional connection. Number 6, stay interesting. Bring new experiences, hobbies, or challenges into your life. If your life is boring to yourself, it is boring to your partner. Curiosity and growth are incredibly sexy. Number 7, mindset shift. Choose each other every day. Stop thinking marriage is automatic. Passion thrives when you approach your partner with intention, curiosity, and desire. Treat your spouse as someone you actively want, not just someone you share bills with. Number 8, talk about desire. Have an open conversation about what you like, what excites you, and what you miss. Desire is easier to maintain when it is expressed and explored. Number 9, create shared goals and adventures. Couple who grow together, explore together, and dream together keep passion alive. It doesn't have to be extreme. A hiking trip or a creative project works. Number 10, humor and playfulness. Laughter is a secret aphrodisiac. Playful teasing, inside jokes, and silly moments lower defenses and create emotional and physical closeness. Real life examples. Let's bring this to life with a story. Imagine Sarah and James, married for 12 years. Kids, mortgage, careers. Their intimacy was basically kiss in passing, occasional weekend cuddle. They realized they were roommates. They started small, weekly date nights, daily flirting texts, and playful touches. They even started a fun jar. Each wrote ideas for mini adventures. Within a month, the spark returned. Passion wasn't back overnight, but the emotional and physical connection reignited. Key takeaway: consistent, intentional efforts beats grand gestures any day. So, here's the big picture. Passion in a long-term marriage doesn't survive on comfort alone. It requires flirtation, emotional curiosity, physical touch, playfulness, intentional efforts. When you choose your partner as a lover, not just a roommate every day, you not only maintain passion, you elevate your marriage. You live not just together, but in love together. Remember, your partner didn't sign up just to share a couch. They signed up for a lifetime of being wanted, desired, and chosen, just like you did. Keep the spark alive, keep choosing each other, and your marriage can stay exciting, passionate, and deeply connected for decades, not just years. If you learned something in this video, leave a comment down there below in the comment section. Tell me something. Tell me what you've done to keep the spark alive in your relationship or your marriage. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video to someone that will find it helpful, and I'm going to see you next time on the next one. Bye.